If you're looking for good hair, please stay tuned. Today I'm going to talk about Indian hair. Everyone knows that good hair is from India. Most of the hair that we purchase is from India. You know, the Chinese go to India, they bid for their hair, they take it back to China, they do whatever they do, and they sell it to us on the open market. But my hair is good hair, and I'm happy to announce that I have very good, strong Indian hair. And this hair, actually, what I'm wearing now, the wig what I'm wearing, I've had this hair for about 2.5 years. Strong, good Indian hair. Everybody wants to look good. We really want to look good. So today I'm going to talk about my hair, which you can purchase from my website, and it's affordable. We're not going to break your bank. So it's something that you can purchase. So we're going to talk about the wavy hair. On my website, the inches are from 14 inches to 26, and they're quite affordable in price. All Indian hair is natural black. It's either natural black or it's a natural brown. And this is the wavy hair. It's very soft, it's very luxurious. And you know, every time I purchase my Indian hair, I always wash it. Because you know they have the hair all on the floor in the bags. It's been wefted. I actually like to wash my hair and it smells gorgeous. So this is a wavy hair. And these are the two 16 inches. You get quite a lot of hair in the bundle, even though it's 100 grams. You got to understand that Indian hair, it really puffs up. It puffs up. So look how bouncy this is. This is gorgeous. The waves are gorgeous. Got the two 16 inches. And a 14 inch. So let's move on to the straight hair. Again, on my website, the inches are from 14 inch to 26 inch, and you get 100 grams in each bundle. So the straight hair, it is so soft and so luxurious, and it smells gorgeous. You know, all I do is wash it, condition it with a Tresemme shampoo. These are the ends. Tresemme shampoo, and just leave them to air dry. So 3 bundles and a frontal, or 3 bundles and a closure can make you up a wig, and a very nice wig indeed. So this is a straight. So if you want to purchase this from my website, this is what you'll be getting. You know, you can't go wrong with Indian hair. The wefts are thick. I want to make sure that when I buy hair, it's affordable, number one, but it's good quality hair. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share and like with your friends. And thank you for watching my channel. Be safe, and I'll see you next time.